HIV is a fact of life. So is HIV prevention. And today, there are lots of ways to help prevent HIV. The first step, knowing your status. And that means getting tested. Maybe even retested. Because when you know your status, you can take action to protect your health and the health of others. Already been tested? Well, that might not be enough. You should know that the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends retesting every 3 to 6 months for people at higher risk for HIV. But figure every 3 months, just to be sure, because that's how long it can take for HIV to show up on a test. You should also know the factors that can put people at higher risk for HIV. For example, men who have sex with men, people with more than one sexual partner, transgender people who have sex with men, people who have recently had a sexually transmitted infection, or those who use injection drugs. Even if these factors don't sound like you, there's another reason to get retested. And that's if you think you were exposed to HIV. If that happens, talk to a healthcare provider as soon as possible. He or she will know the right HIV test to give you. Maybe you already knew all that. And maybe you already know your HIV status. But if you're not sure, or if it's been 3 or more months since your last test, it may be time to get tested or retested. Then you can take steps to protect your health and help prevent the spread of HIV. So get routinely retested. Maybe think of every season as retesting season. If your test results are positive, talk to a healthcare provider about starting HIV treatment. There is no cure for HIV, but starting and staying on treatment can help you live a long and healthy life. And it can lower the chance of passing HIV on through sex, so you can protect the people you care about. If your test results are negative, you can keep things that way. Use condoms, never share needles. Ask a healthcare provider about all the ways to prevent HIV. And get routinely retested. Hey, is that snow? Must be retesting season. When the sun comes back, it's retesting season again. So, if you're at higher risk for HIV, think about getting retested. It helps protect your health and the people you care about. And when we make every season retesting season, we can help prevent the spread of HIV and help stop the virus.